Hi guys, today we're going to share 5 tips on how to procure electrical packages successfully for a passive house construction. So Scott, obviously everything is going skyrocket, right? Everything is happening in the world right now means the cost of utilities is skyrocketing. And one of the ways that passive house helps with that is reducing the utilities cost, isn't it? So what's your best tip on, renewable energy, solar panels, installation for a house like this? What is your best tip? What do we need to consider?
Well, luckily with a house like this, you've got a fair sized roof and you're going to have plenty of solar panels.
28 actually.
Okay. So what you want to do with that is you don't want to be wasting any of that energy. So I think one of the major tips there is to introduce battery packs, so that all that wasted energy, if you didn't have the battery packs, are now charging the batteries. So that once the sun goes down and you're losing your solar power, that the house then relies on what's been charged through the day into your battery packs. And you can increase those battery packs as you, over time, once you get to learn your new house, you'll know how many you need. Another tip with that is in the winter time, when the sun's obviously not up as much as in the summer, is to go with the right energy provider. So what we're going to look at there is charging your battery packs at a lower rate at night time, and that'll be distributed through the day. So you're almost still getting the best deal you possibly can and be energy efficient.
Amazing.
Yeah.
That is such a clever way to do it, because what you're doing in here is you're using solar as well.
Yeah.
Especially in the winter, as you put it rightly. Because the reality is that having in the summer is great because you get sun in the UK reasonably for about 3-4 months.
Yeah.
But then in the winter where you don't have as much sun, you've got to rely on external power or like the network, right?
Yeah.
But the way you just put it out there nicely was obviously you saving a better rate during the night, which is usually the best one, and recharging your battery.
So if you're going with providers such as Octopus Energy, they'll give you a good deal because you've got electric vehicles, and they'll give you a time slot through the night, say 12 till 4 in the morning, charge your electrical vehicles, but at the same time you could be charging your batteries.
Batteries at home,
Yeah,
amazing.
right.
And you can also you can program that
Timers.
with timers, isn't it?
Yeah.
Simple, amazing. That's great point, guys.
We need to look at ways how we can reduce that material cost, and sometimes, unfortunately, that might be getting the materials yourself.
Absolutely.
Because when you're looking at electrical contractors out there putting their markups on, sometimes unnecessary markups, you're always going to get a better deal getting the materials yourself.
Absolutely.
Even if you know your own local electrical contractors, they might be able to help you procure some materials at their costs. They might be happy to help.
So, thanks ever so much for listening today, guys. I hope you enjoyed those 5 tips that will save you time and money to build your own family passive house.